Oh, what's up? So I'm brushing my teeth. As it turns out, I brush my teeth every day actually. And I strongly recommend that you brush your teeth. But there's like a right way to do it, and there's like the way that most people do it. So the way that most people do it like this. And that doesn't do anything. What you gotta do is actually brush at a 45-degree angle, especially when you have one of these. So your gum line is a very, very important place for bacteria to hang out. And they're the ones that are causing your cavities, right? So you wanna take your bristle heads and you wanna go down. I like it. Ah, yeah. That just feels better. And on the top, you want to go up in like a 45-degree angle because you kind of want to massage the bottom part of your gums. And the reason you want to do that is because the bacteria in your mouth, they're like super tiny. Excuse me. They're like super tiny and they hang out in the places that they're going to be the safest. So as it turns out, that's your gum line. You have like a little pocket around your teeth. And that's the area that the toothbrush needs to actually, the bristles need to go. Because when you don't clean it, I have to clean it for you. And that sucks. But I'll do it anyway. In general, what that means is, especially this area right here, you have to drink coffee after this and this stuff. So you want to brush that area specifically because if you don't get the bacteria out of there, the plaque that forms in your mouth, the soft squishy stuff after you eat food, if it stays there for 48 hours, it turns into calculus. Not math, calculus. Calculus is the older brother of plaque. It's like if plaque and bacteria were like villages, and they're like in medieval times. Calculus is like a city. It's like a modern city. Okay? It's like super productive, super noisy, but it also produces a lot of emissions. It's also just like really, really bad for the environment. So when it stays in your teeth for 48 hours, you end up having these really, really productive cities of bacteria around your gum line and kind of near your bone. So anytime food enters your mouth, where plaque only produced a little bit of acid, the cities produce a lot of acid. And the issue with that is that it breaks down your teeth and it breaks down your bone structure quite a bit more. So when you brush your teeth, don't brush in circles. That doesn't do shit. You gotta brush 45 degrees down, and you gotta scrape up. And then also, you wanna make sure that you brush the biting surfaces of your back teeth. Okay, most of the cavities that I end up filling are the ones all the way in the back. Because people are so worried about doing this that they forget most of their food is actually chewed all the way in the back. Most people also think that you're going to lose your wisdom teeth. Or a lot of my patients actually think they're going to lose all of their teeth. Because their parents or their grandparents or whatever told them this stupid lie that you have to lose your teeth. Dude, you don't have to lose your teeth. Are you kidding me? You have to lose your fingers? No. Your teeth are very important. You don't have to lose your teeth. Just make sure your toothbrush is doing the right thing. Right? You got to go all the way back and get all those damn Cheetos out of your teeth. Okay? So, there's that. There's the gum line, 45 degrees down, inside your mouth, right below your bottom teeth. Very important. And if you don't want to be smelly, you brush your tongue. And people are like, oh, it gags me. So what? You want to be smelly? Or do you want to gag a little bit? I guess you get my point. So brush your teeth properly, guys. And notice, this has probably been a 5-10 minute video. I'm not done brushing my teeth. Now I'm done brushing my teeth. Peace.